Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. So in this tutorial I will show how to install DSL map in ETS to 1.44. The process is very easy. All you have to do is download, paste and play. Sorry. Sorry. So this is my description box. This is the description box. Download the map from here. Download the map. Yeah, this is the download link. Download the map. After the download you will get this kind of zip. Unzip it, extract the zip into DSL map folder, and you will have this type of folder. In this folder you will have this kind of mods: model 2, model 1, DSL map. These are the three main mods for the map. Copy or cut them to documents, Truck Simualtor 2 mod, and paste it in here. This is the profile. Copy or cut and paste them into documents, Truck Simualtor 2 profiles, pasted in here. Yep, the map installation is done. This mod is basically a right hand steering bus mod. So if you want to play right hand steering bus mod, then copy or cut this mod into documents, Truck Simualtor 2 mod, and paste it in here. So what is physics power brake? Physics power brake is one kind of mod that makes your braking intensity more powerful, meaning that if your braking intensity is around 70 to 75 intensity, the brake will be perfect. According to my personal use, I recommend it. This is the main forget. This is the main. If you want to use it, then copy or cut and paste it in document, Truck Simualtor 2 mod, and paste it in here. And this map has damage mode. So if you don't want to play with damage mode, then use this mod. Copy or cut document, Truck Simualtor 2 mod, and paste it in here. If you have any problem understanding my process, please follow these steps and install the map beautifully. And I also written the usage of physics power brake and no damage mode, and the bus mode, yes, of course. So if you guys have any problem understanding the process or understanding the words that are written, please contact me on Discord. This is my Discord. If you have any problem, please Discord me. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys.